Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Chic Blend. I actually ordered something from Hirschleifers. And yeah, let's just open it up to see what I got. Okay, so what's actually in this box, I've wanted it for probably about a year, but it really took me a while to really decide on what type I wanted to get. So let's see what this is. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, so cute. And y'all know what that black box means, don't you? Okay, so let's just unbox this. Okay. Okay, so I ordered oh my gosh. Okay, so what I've ordered is behind this dust bag. Oh, it's so little. Okay, so I ordered the Chanel double flap caviar leather silver hardware in the size medium. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. I just thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. It's so little. Oh, oh no, that's not good. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, so this leather is actually a lot softer than my other flap. Let me open this up to see the inside. This is the inside of the bag. And then, as you know, pocket on the back. Yeah. I decided to purchase this bag from Hirschleifers because it was no tax. If you don't live in New York, you can actually get this bag tax-free, which I know some people will be like, okay, like that's really not a big deal, tax-free. But actually, it is, because in Chicago, this bag, tax-wise, will be an extra $490. So yeah, with that being said, let me just open it up one more time. So it's burgundy on the inside, of course, and then all that comes on the inside is my authentication card. We'll just put that back. I won't show you that. But if you want to know the price, this is it. And then on the flip side is this. Okay, so the story behind this bag. Okay, so for myself personally, I told myself, like, you know what? I want to get all of the Chanel classics. And for me, the classics are the jumbo in black and gold caviar leather, this bag, the beige clear, a red bag, and possibly a reissue. Like, of course, that is a classic, but I'm still undecided on if I want to get that bag. But that's kind of what my wish list is kind of looking like. So yeah, here it is in all its glory. So yeah, I did decide to get this one, and I'm very happy with it. So guys, just let me know what's on your bag wish list. It doesn't have to be Chanel. It does not even have to be designer. Whatever is on your wish list, let us know. I'm not going to say me. Let us know, because next time I will have my sister with me. So yeah, let us know what's on your bag wish list and leave it down below, okay? Okay.